Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
This is just horrendous. We're supposedly
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last.
What is good with the game, man? Hey, look, we are back with another video today, man. Look, so I got done combing my hair out. This is the last week of my hair being this length. Tomorrow I will be chopping my hair off because this is way too much. This is the end of the wolf week for this, so we're about to, cut it down to something more maintainable. For this last wolf or whatever, we're gonna do some crown work, and yeah. today, as y'all can see with the wool. Man, we got a little work in with the crown. You feel me? We ain't gonna do too much with it. You feel me? Because we're about to cut it. So I just want to show y'all how I do my crown behind the scenes. Most of my videos are compacted into a good 10 minutes, but really I'm doing more brushing, and then also I'm doing more crown work and stuff like that. See, y'all probably seeing I'm making all this progress, but in reality I'm brushing probably like an hour, and my video is only like 10 minutes. You know what I mean? So don't think I'm only brushing for 10 minutes when I'm really brushing for more than 10 minutes. So I'm always working on my crown. I'm always brushing more than what I have to. I'm always using a comb. I really don't show me using a comb. I usually show just me using a brush. But my next video I'm about to make after this, I'm gonna show y'all how I use a comb, what I do with a comb, and stuff like that. But yeah, man, hey, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man, do it all, man. But peace on the street, share it.